up? Welcome back to my channel. Kanisha Lachey here. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to get this look here. This is kind of fallish, but I guess, I don't know. I just did whatever. I just sat down. I was like, okay, I want to do my makeup, so I just sat down and just did whatever. So yes, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just continue to watch. Make sure you like this video if you love it. Also share this video if you loved it, and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social networks, so Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. If you want to follow me on Facebook, I'm really not be doing that much on Facebook, but if you want to, girl, okay, go ahead. It's all at Kanisha Lachey, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys. Hey y'all, so my face is already cleaned. I used my Cerave moisturizing cleanser, then I used my Mericer Badescu facial water and my Ole Henriksen counterbalance oil control moisturizer and their banana bright eye cream. Now I am applying some eye primer. I'm using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. I usually use my Smashbox one, but I ran out of it, but I really like this one. It mattifies my eyes and it keeps my shadows on really well throughout the day. Then I filled in my brows using my ABH shade Ebony. Ebony is a bit dark for me, y'all. Like, I always do dark brown, but my dark brown was too light for me because I just got my eyebrows tinted and she made them really dark, so I'll never get them done again by her, I would say. But I just use Ebony for my shade, and then I just use some concealer to highlight my brows. Then I'm going in to my crease with the shade Saddle from MAC, and I'm using this as a transitional shade, so I'm just applying that all over my lid. Then I'm going into my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette with the shade Henna and applying that into my crease as well. I really like to do a bunch of different transitional shades, if y'all haven't noticed. So then I took the shade Man Eater from Huda and applied that in my crease as well. Yeah, I really like this shade. Like, it's a really pretty color. Then I took the color I'm Into It from MAC and applied that into my crease, and I'm using a smaller brush just because I like how this one is a little bit more precise, so I can get a really nice defined crease with this brush. And I got this brush from MAC. I will put the name of it down in the description box because I don't remember the name of it if you guys wanted to know. Then I'm going to do a half cut crease, and I'm just doing a really small cut crease because I didn't want it to go over the top this time with my cut crease. So I'm just taking some concealer, whatever's left over, onto my brush, and I added just a tiny bit more. Then I'm taking that shade from Morphe. That is the 35OS palette, the one that I'm using. I don't know the shade name, so sorry. Then I'm just spraying some little water on it to make the color pop more. And I'm taking the Stila liquid eyeshadow, and I'm taking the color Grace and applying that all over my lid. Then I'm taking the color Cocoa and applying that to my outer V, just to kind of blend out everything and make everything look nice and smooth. And I'm taking these lashes I got from Beauty Supply. Y'all, these lashes are bomb. They are the 3D, I think it's called like 3D lash or something like that. These are beautiful. They are in the number M359. So next I'm applying some Can't Stop Won't Stop primer to my face. This is from NYX. And if you guys haven't seen my video, go check it out. I did a review on this foundation, so I will put the link down in the description box. I'm using some midnight powder just because the powder really helps to absorb oil and shine on the face when you do your primer first and then your powder and then your foundation, just because it kind of soaks up that, like, the initial oils that's in your face, so you don't get as shiny throughout the day. Then I'm using the NYX HD Concealer to highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and I believe I did a little bit. Oh no, I did. I thought I did some on my chin, but I guess I didn't. So underneath my eyes and my nose. And I really like this concealer just because it's not like too thick of a concealer where it's so hard to like move and everything, but it's not too light where if you blend it out it doesn't look like anything is on. So I really like this concealer. Now I'm going to bake underneath my eye area and my nose, and my chin and underneath my jawline and above my top lip and my forehead, because I'm like oily everywhere. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm so oily. I hate it. I hate it, but I like it. So then I'm using the St. Lucia bronzer and blush palette from e.l.f. Y'all, this is, when I tell you this is an old school product for me, like, I've been using this product for years. I've been using it years, like legit years. This is one of my favorite bronzers ever. It looks so good on my skin. I don't use the blush, however, but the bronzer is bomb. It's so freaking pretty. So I'm just contouring with that bronzer all over my face, and then I'm just going to diffuse underneath my eyes. So I took the shade I'm Into It from MAC, and then I took Man Eater and just blended underneath my eye area and just kind of smoked it out underneath my eye area. Then I took the shade Zero from Urban Decay and lined my waterline, and then I took Black Truffle from the Huda Beauty palette just to blend that eyeliner out. I'm using the Estee Edit highlighter. I believe it's called like #1 Heat something. I don't know, y'all. I can't remember the names of this. I haven't used that one in so long. But I'm using that to highlight my tear duct. But everything, like I said, everything will be down in the description box. So check that out for like the names of everything. Then I'm just setting the rest of my face using my Kat Von D Lock It foundation powder. And I'm taking my beautiful highlighter, the ABH highlighter with AMREZY, and I'm using that to highlight my face. Y'all, I love this highlighter. It's so freaking beautiful. Like, oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm just using some mascara. That mascara was from Urban Decay as well. That one was the Perversion one. So if y'all need like a really good like black, super black mascara, that one is a good one. I would definitely say try that one out. Then I'm fixing my brows and applying some brow gel. And then I'm using my Badescu facial spray, and I also use my MAC Fix Plus. Oily skin, that's the one I usually use. And yeah, y'all. So then I was just trying on different lipsticks because I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do. At first I did that first one, but I was like, no, look, I don't like it. It's too nude. Then I did that pink one. I was like, no. Then I did this one, and I was like, no, it's kind of too orangey. So then I put it on some blush to maybe add some color to my face. And then I was like, no, I'm still not feeling it. So I did a pink lip liner, and then Cork from MAC. And then I did a gloss from CoverGirl Queen Collection. I don't remember the name of it. It came off. But this is the lip that I finally went with, and I loved it. I love the way this look turned out. I hope you guys like it too. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.